Hi, my name is Richie and in this video I want to show you how to prune your hydrangeas. Let's get started. Hydrangeas are standing garden plants, but did you know that each type requires a different pruning approach? In this video I will show you exactly how to prune different hydrangea varieties to keep them healthy and full of blooms year after year. Let's start with Hydrangea arborescens. This variety responds well to strong pruning, meaning you can cut it back quite hard without worry. Begin at the base and cut its stem back to the first or second strong bud pair. If the plant has been pruned before, focus on the most recent branching point rather than the ground level. This method encourages more branches, resulting in even more flowers each year. Hydrangea paniculata, or panicle hydrangea, is pruned in exactly the same way. Don't be afraid to cut it back hard, it will reward you with plenty of large, beautiful blooms. Occasionally, about every 4 to 5 years, it's beneficial to give these varieties only a light pruning, allowing them to rest and produce fewer branches and flowers for a while. Instead of cutting back drastically, simply trim them just below the first flower heads above the first strong bud pair. For Hydrangea macrophylla, never use hard pruning, as this variety blooms on old wood, meaning last year's stems. If you cut it back too much, you won't get any flowers. Simply remove the faded flower heads just above the first strong bud pair. If necessary, light shaping can also be done. Oakleaf hydrangea, Hydrangea quercifolia, doesn't require regular pruning. Only remove dead, weak or damaged stems to keep the plant healthy and prevent energy waste. Before cutting, check if a stem is alive by gently scratching the bark. If it's green underneath, it's still alive. If the stem is dry, cut it back to the base. Shaping can be done at almost any time, except during frost periods. Climbing hydrangea doesn't require pruning, but in spring you can shape it slightly if needed and remove any frost-damaged parts. Pruning hydrangeas correctly ensures a stunning display of blooms year after year. Now you know exactly how to care for each type, so grab your cicadas and give your hydrangeas the best start to the season. And finally, a tip. Don't throw away or compost the branches you prune if possible. These cuttings make excellent propagation material and, in my experience, have the highest success rate for rooting. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. Happy gardening!